welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're not, I'm G, and today I'm excited because I have an unboxing. Yay! So I have an unboxing of a bag that has been on my wish list for about maybe 2 years now, ever since it came out in 2019. And the pandemic made me kind of really just like want this bag even more because it's like the perfect like grab and go, don't care, casual. It's just like the perfect just like throw on, you still look nice, but it's not so fussy, and it's just like, oh, I just really wanted this bag so bad. So without further ado, actually like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm just going to jump right into it because I'm super excited. UPS just came. I ran down the steps. I'm like, oh yes, let's get the bag, let's unbox it. So I haven't even seen mine. I did go in the store this weekend and I just knew they wasn't going to have it because it's always sold out online. So I'm like, I know the store doesn't have it. The store had it, so I got to try it on, and it was just everything I imagined. So I already know what it's giving. But let's unbox it. So oh, what was that? So this is probably the receipt and all that jazz, but I am so hyped. So it is wrapped really nice. Oh, what's in here? And you know I wanted to write a note to myself like I always do, but I was in a rush when I seen it come back in stock online, so I just hurried up and bought it. I didn't even write no notes. So let's take the bow off, shall we? Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. It's a nice dust bag. She is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. So I got the bum bag in empreinte leather, in noir, and black. Yes, this is what I got, and I am just so in love with this thing. Like, it is the perfect size. First of all, the regular monogram, the canvas one, is just too big for me. Like, I have a smaller frame, and that one is just way too big. So when I seen this, I was like, this is the perfect size, and it's kind of like an understatement. Like, it's not, it's like I have to put it in your face for you to see the LVs and everything. But if I just like have it on, if I just like have it on, you just can't even like, it's not even really just, it's just so so it has this kind of like mustard microfiber on the inside. It also has a compartment in the back, and that also has the like mustard microfiber. A lot of people were complaining about the microfiber, like for as much as you spend on this bag, they kind of wanted something nicer on the inside. But I mean, I'm not really complaining. I also ordered an organizer so I could put in it so that it can kind of keep this clean and also hold its shape. So I'm not really, doesn't really bother me about the inside. It is just perfect. It's so perfect. So let's see what can fit inside. So let's start off with, this is my wallet, the Recto Verso. I have my keys. That fits perfectly. I have a mat. I have a mask because that's the world that we live in right now. That fits no problem. I have a lip gloss, sunglasses, and hand sanitizer. Let me see. And it's still like room. So let's close this. Yes, fits. It's not too heavy. It's not like nothing's protruding. And then my phone, let's see if that fits in the back pocket. No, it does. Wow, look at that. So I have all of my essentials, and that's why I said this is like such a casual bag to have, because it really holds a lot. It's in a different type of shape. Like, you don't have to wear it as a bum bag. Like I said, I want to wear it on my shoulder, and it's just different to me. Like, it's very different. It is a nice and compact. It's probably good for traveling. It's black. It's leather. There is no vachetta. Like, I don't have to worry about anything getting messed up. There is a top handle. There's a D-ring. Like, what more can you not like love about this? Like, ugh, the hardware, even this, like, the zipper pull is just so cute. It is literally everything that I imagined. And I would have it all linked below. I think it is actually back in stock. And mine is made in Spain. So let me take all of my items out. So yeah, mine is made in Spain, which is lovely. I don't know. I just feel like the things that are made here in the US are, and I could be wrong, but it's a preference. So, oh, my bag. So this was my first unboxing, the Empreinte Monogram Bumbag. So in love. And then next I picked this up over the weekend for my bag. So it is in a smaller box. And what I got was, oh, it's wrapped, oh, nice. I got a bandeau, and that is to go on the handle of my bag because I'm just extra. So what I end up going with is the BB Bandeau in the horoscope collection. As you can see, it says Cancer. It has crabs on it. It has the Cancer sign. The other side is totally reversible with the LVs and the crab. I think this is just so cute. It's in like this bluish, baby pink, kind of lilac. It's like pastels. It's perfect for spring and summer. Just a cute little pop of color on my bag, and that was why I snagged this. I also think it is limited edition. When I went to the store over the weekend, this was the only one they had. They had one of each Zodiac, and it just came out that day. So if you didn't get it then, you didn't get it, and it sold out online. So that was what made me really go ahead and like pull the trigger on this. So let me show you how I plan to wear it on my bag. So I want to kind of like tie it like a twilly on the handle. And when I went in the store and everything, oh, my essay, she was such a doll. Augustini, if you're in the DMV area, my sales associate was Augustini, and she was in the Tyson's Galleria. She brought this bag out for me because I just knew they didn't have it, and they did. And then she even tied the twilly around, or the bandeau, twilly bandeau. She tied it around the bag for me and everything, and like gave me like a little tutorial. She was so sweet. She was like so patient. Me and my friend, we were in there and we just had such a good time. Like, we were cutting up. We had such a good time, but we were in there for like maybe an hour or so. Mind you, we had to wait in line because it is COVID and everything. So we had to wait in line, so we made our trip worth it. So we got to like try on everything we wanted, and it was just such a good experience. So basically you just kind of wrap it around the handle however you want. I'll probably have to redo this because it's not giving what it's supposed to be gave. So, and then you just like loop the end through it, so that kind of sticks like that. And then I'll do the other side. Yeah. Oh, isn't that cute? So, I mean, this is not everybody's cup of tea. I'm just a little extra when it comes to my things. So I think this is so cute. It's kind of like dresses it up to me. It gives it like a pop of color. It makes it fun. It's kind of like personalizable. I don't think that's a word. It just gives it some personality. I also picked up like a little chain to go from the zipper pull to the D-ring, so like a gold like chunky chain. It's just gonna be so cute. So yes, look at it. She is adorable. Like, this is just everything that I've ever wanted. Ladies, treat yourselves. Treat yourselves, okay? Like, if you're doing good and you're doing what you're supposed to do and all of that jazz, treat yourselves. So this was a little treat from me. Mother's Day is coming up. My birthday is coming up. So I just was like, let me just do something nice for myself. So yes, this is my new addition. I love her. She's so cute. Like I said, I have everything linked below, the specs and the size and all that. I do think this is in stock right now, so if you are eyeing this, it's so worth it. Run and grab it. It fits a lot. It's convenient. Like I said, it's black, it's leather, it is still monogram. So I feel like you get the best of both worlds with this bag. Like, love this so much. So let's get some mod shots. And yes, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Yeah, I'm just super, like, I cannot wait to wear this.